we're going to learn how to solve a system in a couple of different ways. We already did graphing, very easy. Graph the lines, wherever they cross is my solution. But sometimes I'm not going to graph them. I'm going to do something called the substitution method. What does it mean to substitute something? Oscar, what does it mean? Replace something with something else. Exactly. If I have a substitute teacher, I am not here. There is a teacher that comes in and, I was going to say does my job, but does something in my place, right? If you're on a team and you get subbed out, you get substituted out, you get pulled out of the game and someone else gets put into the game, right? So the substitution method that we're going to learn today is exactly the same. Let's start with a system. There's a little squiggly bracket. Doesn't have to be perfect. Probably won't be. 3x minus y equals -7, and y equals 4x plus 11. All right? The substitution method is easiest when one of my equations is already solved for a variable. See how y is all by itself on the left side of the equal sign here?
Yes, sir.
That should be a red flag in our heads that goes, oh, I should use the substitution method here. Because remember, in the definition of a system, they have the same variables. So this x is the same as this x, and this y is the same as this y. Right? So if I know that y is equal to 4x plus 11, I can take that expression and substitute it in for the y in my second equation. You'll see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay? Step 1. We're going to sub this guy in. So 3x minus y equals -7 becomes 3x minus the quantity of 4x plus 1 equals -7. What did I say? Oh, 11?
Yeah.
My bad. Thank you, son.
Don't make mistakes, guys.
Okay. Do you see what I did?
Yes, sir.
I took out this y and substituted it with what I know y is equal to. And that's 4x plus 11. What I now have here is a univariate equation. There's only one variable that I can now solve for. I can't solve for x when I'm also dealing with a y that I don't know. So if I put this equation in terms of x, now I can solve for x pretty easily. What would my first step be in solving for x here? Distribute what? The negative. Negative 4x minus 11. This turns into 3x minus 4x minus 11 equals -7. Right? What do I want to do next? Combine like terms. What like terms? 11 and 7? No. 3x and -4x together makes -1x or -x. Everything else stays the same. Everybody with me so far?
Yes, sir.
What's next?
Sides.
Add 11 to both sides. These 11s go away. What's -7 plus 11? 4. Okay? What's the last thing I want to do? Divide by negative 1. Those cancel out to 1. And I'm left with x equals negative 4. Okay, I do not want to put a box around this because I am not done. That was step 1. If I'm looking for the solution to a system, what does the solution to a system look like?
X and a Y.
It's an ordered pair, an x and a y. Right now I only have the x. Now I've got to find the y. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look back, and I can choose either equation to plug my x value into and solve for y. Which equation is the smarter choice? The first one or the second one? Why the second one?
It's shorter.
Is it slope-intercept? It's shorter?
It's positive.
It's positive? Okay. It's in slope-intercept form. What's so special about slope-intercept form? It's easy. We're not graphing anything, sir.
The y is already isolated.
There we go. That's what I'm looking for. The y is already isolated. That saves me a step when I'm solving if my y is already by itself. Okay? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take negative 4. I'm going to highlight it in pink. And I'm going to do step 2. Which is, I'm going to take my second equation, y equals 4, and I'm going to substitute x out for what? Negative 4. Okay? This is real easy. This is 2 steps. What is 4 times negative 4?
Negative 16.
Negative 16. And what is negative 16 plus 11? Negative 5. So, I've got x equals negative 4. I've got y equals negative 5. What is the solution to this system?
Negative 4,
Negative 4, comma, negative 5. There's my final answer. Say that now.
What's up with you and being stinky these days?
Hmm?
You've been so mysterious. Like last time when you gave us the homework, you were like,
Do you
"You'll
want,
see."
bro? He said, do you
It's
want
funny.
a new or a used bandit?
I say that all the time. I pretend to throw things at people.
He,
This is my shtick.
oh my god.
Any questions on what we did there?
I
Pretty straightforward, hopefully.
asked for
Good.
sword and he throws
Good,
it
good,
at
good.
me. Okay, he doesn't throw it at me, but he pretends to throw it at me.
I do it to everyone. All right, let's do something tricky. Yeah, let's do it.
Huh? So now Oscar wants to play company. Was it not easy?
You'll be all right.
Oh no. No, whenever I asked my mom for like a fourth and actually goes, okay, catch. Like, here we go. Okay, catch. So he turned the equal. So what?
Someone new. Everyone wants to be at the top, and no one wants to stay at the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's Kaden.
Let's do this. Wait. Yeah. All right. Here we go. This will be short. Shorter.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
But you said it's harder.
I didn't say it was harder. I said it was trickier.
Okay, is that not basically the same?
4x plus 2y equals negative 8. Y equals negative 2x minus 4. Step 1. I'm going to substitute in a whole expression. Where am I going to plug it in? Well, let's start with what am I going to plug in? Negative 2x minus 4, because that's y. Where am I going to plug it in?
Where the y is on the top equation.
For the y on the first equation. So I have 4x plus 2 times the quantity of negative 2x minus 4 equals negative 8. So I'm starting out, right? This is 2 steps. I plug in the expression. I get one of my answers. Then I plug in the answer to get my other answer.
Oh, I get it.
Okay. What do I want to do first here?
You're going to want to distribute it to the first.
Distribute the 2. Good. I get 4x minus 4x minus what? Minus 8 equals negative 8.
You're going to want to combine like
Okay, hold on. I appreciate it. We'll get there in 1 second. You're not wrong. I don't want to go too fast. We're making good time. Is there any like terms I can combine here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
4x minus 4x.
What is 4x minus 4x? 0. So I'm left with negative 8 equals negative 8. What do I do now?
Plus A plus A equals 0, so this whole thing.
I don't even need to do that. Alex?
Would the solution be infinitely?
Infinitely many solutions.
You guys hear?
Does negative 8 equal negative 8?
Yes.
Yes. When I hit that, I know, infinitely many solutions right away.
Yay.
I cannot solve for a specific x value because every x value will work. These are just the same equation. One's written in standard form, one's written in slope-intercept, right? So my answer, infinitely many solutions. What if I ended up with something like negative 8 equals 2? What would my answer be then? No solution. I cannot solve for an x value because there are no x values that they share because they're parallel, right? One more, shall we? That one was too easy. Let's do example number 3.
So yes, sir.
I got a system here. 5x minus 3y equals negative 25, and x plus 4y equals 18. What's so different about this setup compared to our other 2 setups? Yeah, Michelle? Yeah, they're both in standard form. I'm used to seeing a y equals in there. That tells me, I'm going to take that and substitute it in. So let's rethink our strategy here. Is there any variable that's almost isolated? The x. So let's isolate x. What would I need to do on both sides to get x by itself? Subtract 4y. So this turns into x equals negative 4y plus 18. Oops. Don't write that. Don't write it. Don't write it. So we're not converting. If it's x equals, then it's not slope-intercept. That's my bad. Okay, we're just solving for x. Okay? Now, we're in the same spot we were before. So it's not too much worse. If we had something in front of x, we could divide, but we're not going to do all that. Okay? Step 1. What am I going to be using as my substitute expression? Negative 4y plus 18. Where am I going to put it? The x? Yep. So this time we're plugging in an expression for x and not y. We've got to be careful that we know when we're doing which one. X equals this. So my first equation turns into 5 times the quantity of negative 4y plus 18 minus 3y equals negative 25. Take it away. You got it. Halfway done. Halfway done.
Oh, you. Oh, wait. Crap. Oh, the other part too?
I forgot about that.
I forgot.
Yeah, plug it into the already solved for x equation.
Wait, so how do we.
You can plug it into anyone, but the easiest one is the one where x is already isolated.
Wait. Oh, wait. So what's x?
So in order to get x all by itself, see that double red arrow? In order to isolate x, I had to subtract 4y to the other side. That's why I did it. When I get to negative 20.
Could you do this one because x is already isolated, so x is 4, the y is 5.
Negative 20y minus 3y is negative 2.
Oh, I got it.
That's okay. Yeah, they don't cancel out. Good.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
And then you said 4 over
Halfway done? Yes.
plus 18.
Is it x plus
What's
4
x?
times 5? I went to put
Solution is two numbers.
x plus 4 times 5, right?
You see how we did step 1, step 2? Step 1?
I went to put
Or step 2?
it by
In a coordinate pair? Is that x versus the y first? Sing the alphabet in your head.
What if it's in a little pocket?
Hey, there we go. That's the order.
I think
Yep. X first. 20. Start. Okay. Yep. Halfway there. Come. What's up, Emma? What'd you get? Nice. Negative 2, comma 5.
Oh.
Nice.
So then the solution would be negative 2.
Yeah.
What's the solution? Alright, I found it.
Yeah, negative 2, 5.
How you doing? Let's see.
Oh, that's kind of easy.
Yeah, this one's kind of hard in our heads. If we divide both sides by negative 23, we just get positive 5. Because 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 30 is 15. 115. Boom, 115. Yeah. I know you guys don't know your 23 times tables. But what you've done so far, Robert's great. Let's see what we get. We distribute the 5. You guys ready?
Yeah.
And the rest of the time is yours. I got negative 20y plus 90 minus 3y equals negative 25. What like terms can I combine here? Negative 20y minus 3y gives me negative 23y plus 90 equals negative 25. What do I do now?
Put minus 90.
Minus 90 from both sides. Those 90s go away. Negative 23y equals negative 115. Divide by negative 23. What's a negative over a negative again? A positive. And how many times does 23 go into 15? 5 times. Is that my final answer? No. Now for step 2, I have 3 options. I could plug y into equation 1, equation 2, or my modified equation 2. As long as I'm doing everything arithmetically correct, as long as I'm doing all my arithmetic correctly, it doesn't matter which one I use. The easiest one is the one where x is already isolated, because it saves me a step, but they would all work. All right, just to be consistent, I'm going to use my isolated one. X equals negative 4 times y plus 18. My y I just found out was 5. Hopefully we can see if I get the first part wrong. It's curtains for the second part, right? So I'm plugging in the wrong thing. What's negative 4 times 5? Negative 20. What's negative 20 plus 18? Negative 2. So what is my solution?
Negative 2, 5.
Negative 2, comma 5. Give me a thumbs up if you got that all on your own. Very nice. Good. How exciting.